Hello friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful nails art ideas for my channel and enjoy my all videos. Guys, keep visiting my channel. You will see the stylish and latest most beautiful new nails art ideas and different nails and different new nails art ideas for my channel. Enjoy my all videos. Guys, keep visiting my channels and very beautiful latest new nails designs, new fancy nails art ideas. All nails are very beautiful and it has stylish new nails designs, new nails art and different nails designs and stunning and stylish new nails designs ideas for my channel. Amazing new nails art ideas, trending nails designs for beginners. Till the next video guys, and enjoy my all videos and you will see the stylish and latest new nail designs and different nails art and all nails are very beautiful. Short nails and long nails are ideas and different nails are all nails are very beautiful, looking gorgeous. Party nails art ideas, analytic nails designs and different nails, winter nails, best nails 2023 upcoming nails ideas. So please guys subscribe my channels and press the bell icon. We'll see the stylish
New modern Valentine's Day girls nail art ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring you all unique nail art ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring you all modern nail designs, nail art, different nail cuttings and unique nail polish designs. So take care friends.